All right, sir, would you state your full name?
Clifford Bradley Balance.
And then does the B stand for a name?
Pardon me?
What's the B stand for?
Bradley.
Thank you. All right, I want to confirm. So you're here appearing under the authority of a warrant. You failed to appear for a pre-trial conference on 2 different dates, and a warrant issued for your arrest. You wish to maintain that not guilty plea that you've entered on a driving suspended violation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so
I missed court because I was here. I was in custody. I was here, and I tried telling them that I had court.
well, so we checked on your in custody status, and you were not in custody on August 11th. That's when your next date was changed to.
Yeah, no. Well, the day I was supposed to be in court, I
Right.
came in the next day and I saw the lady judge, and she stopped the warrant and put in the not guilty plea for me.
Correct, and then scheduled you for court on August 11th, and that you didn't show on that one.
Oh no, she said it was the 27th, sir.
That was
July.
yes, that was the previous day, so it was set for the 27th July, you're right. And that was supposed to be done on a telephonic appearance, and that didn't happen. You were in treatment or something.
Yeah.
And then that didn't happen. So then we sent a warrant letter out changing that date.
Well, no, I came in, I saw the judge the day after, sir.
Right, understood. That is correct. You're right. And then that's when she reset the court date to August 11th when you came in. And
Wait, when I came in, I came in on August 11th. Yeah.
yeah, so we reset it to August 11th, and we missed you on that court date.
Yeah, I came in the day after. I came in the day after because I got discharged from rehab that day, and I had no ride. I had no transportation.
But was that the day after the 27th of July?
Oh no, I was in custody here on the 27th of July. I
Okay,
was here.
okay. And then you came in on August 12th then,
Yes, sir.
is what you're
That's
saying?
it.
Okay, so that's the one that entered with the warrant, because that was 2 failure to appears. The prior one on the 27th, that was supposed to be telephonically, because,
Wait. July 27th?
correct?
I was here. I was in custody.
You were in custody on the 27th.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you were taken into custody from the 22nd, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. And then so after that, we sent a warrant letter out for you, and you came in the day after August 11th on the 12th, but that's when the warrant did file. That's why you're here.
Wait. Oh wait. I'm missing something.
So
I was in rehab.
correct.
And I got out this day I was supposed to come into court on the 11th. All right, on August 11th. I got released from rehab on August 11th. I came in and I saw the lady judge the next day, and she stopped the warrant and she said my next court date was July 27th because it was my brother's birthday.
And you did that on, so you're going backwards in months. How
Wait, June, July.
August.
Oh,
You got your sequence
Okay.
of events are wrong.
right. Oh yeah, oh wait, August. Well, I was here in August. I was in custody in August.
That's not what the records show. You were
Oh
taken.
no, I was here.
You were taken in custody July 22nd.
Yeah, you were here since July 22nd.
Yeah, so June, July, August is after. I've been here the whole time.
For the
Look, he's been here since.
I've been here.
22nd.
Tell him.
from the probation violation, correct?
Yeah, he's been here since July 22nd. I just looked right now.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So when did you come to the office regarding that?
I went in and saw the lady judge on the 12th, the day after I got out of rehab, sir. And she stopped the warrant and said that my next court date was July 26th.
When were you in rehab?
June, right? The month of June.
Yeah, so that's, so then we had you set up for a telephonic in July.
Or no, it was in June. It was
Okay,
in June.
all right.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't. The only time I missed the court date, sir, is because I was in custody, and I came in and I straightened it out with the lady judge.
Yeah, I spoke to her on this case and,
Yeah.
all right. So you do wish to maintain your not guilty plea, correct?
Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I might be getting out soon.
Is this the only thing holding you now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. What I'm going to do, Mr. Bounds, is I'm going to schedule you for a court date on the 29th of September at 9:30 to appear for your not guilty plea.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Yep, and I'll release you out of custody with your promise to appear.
Okay.
If you go into a treatment facility or anything else besides being arrested again, even if you do get arrested again, you would be violating these release conditions. So most likely, you'll just
Well,
stay.
my attorney said that from here I'm probably going to go to a rehab.
Okay, well, then that gives me some concern. Because your attorney can advise you to do that, but he can't make you do that. So right now you have a court date of the 29th of September. So I'm not saying don't go into rehab, but I'm saying make sure that you come to court on September 29th, whether you're in rehab or not.
Okay.
So that's scheduled for 9:30 because I don't want this case to keep getting continued or pushed around because you're getting arrested again or because you're in rehab or any of those types of things. Because I'm ordering you to be into court on the 29th and I'm letting you out of custody with your promise that you will, no matter what those conditions are.
Okay.
Because the first release condition is obey all orders of the court. The second release condition is do not commit any crimes. So if you get rearrested, you're violating the first two things I just said.
Okay.
All right. And then your address is still good on the Clark Street.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. I'll release you on your own recognizance. Promise that you're not going to drive on public roadways unless you get a driver's license. That you're going to obey all orders of the court, not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately if there's a change of address, not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, and that you'll show up on your court date. Do I have your promises on those?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right. We'll see you on that date.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You can send it to the Globe Jail.
All right. Sounds good. Have a good one.
You too.
Hello there.
Hello, Judge. Sorry, we're right in the middle of a Superior Court remand, sir. So,
Oh, do you want me to disconnect?
nope, we're gonna get yours right now. So if you can just bear with us 1 second.
Okay.
Just be aware that I do have the remand in the room.
Okay.
What's your date of birth?
4/13/91.
4/13/91. Okay. That I can't remember. I can remember your name, but it was like. Yeah.
Thank you, Gary.
Yeah. See if I can set up here.
Well, sir, can you state your name, please?
Mike Healy, sir.
All right. Your full name?
Michael L. Healy.
And is the L for a name?
It's Leroy.
Thank you, sir. All right. The state is alleging two charges against you. One of them is a felony allegation, and the other one is a town code violation, class 1 misdemeanor. The town code violation is violation of town code 130.32, urinating in public. The felony allegation is drug paraphernalia, possession, or use. On both of those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for two different hearings. One is regarding the felony, and the other one is regarding the misdemeanor. The felony hearing is called a preliminary hearing, and that's to determine if there's probable cause to charge you with that drug paraphernalia, possession, or use charge. If probable cause is found, then the case will bind over to the Healy County Superior Court, and they'll take disposition on it. It's a possibility that it could go in front of a grand jury. I've scheduled your court date for September 7th at 9 a.m. The best thing to do is to call a business day ahead of time or stop by to see if you even need to appear in court. Either it will not file, or it will go in front of a grand jury, or you'll need to be available for that hearing. You understand?
Sure.
All right. Regarding the misdemeanor violation, the town code violation, you do have to appear on September 16th at 9 o'clock in the morning and be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to that charge. Depending on how you plea will be what happens next with the court proceedings. All of those options will be explained to you, as well as the penalty range prior to you giving your plea at the next hearing. Your release conditions for both charges are obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately if you obtain an address, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not go near the location of the alleged offense, do not possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription, and do not possess any firearms because of the felony allegation. If you're convicted, you could become a prohibited possessor. The final one is regarding the misdemeanor is to report to pretrial services. So my intentions are to release you on your own recognizance with your promise to get a hold of them. So before you leave jail, the detention staff can allow you to make a phone call. Let them know that you don't have an address or a phone number and they're going to give you requirements to come in person and check with them. Their job is to monitor your release conditions, to make sure you're abiding by those and that you're appearing in court. Any failure to obey these release conditions or their requirements at the probation department could lead into your release being revoked and you taken back into custody. Do you understand that?
Sure.
All right, I'll provide you the name and phone number, so just make the phone call before you leave since you don't have a phone. And they'll let you know, just after you explain to them you don't have a phone or address, what their requirements are going to be. Do I have your promise to obey those release conditions?
Sure.
And your promise to appear in court?
You bet.
All right, I'll release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that's all I've got for you.
Thank you, Judge.
You bet you will get sent over here shortly.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye.